You're welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're meeting, then you're absolutely welcome. Nice to meet you. On my channel, I cover a lot of styles, but predominantly taught to places of relevance and of aesthetic view. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to be well versed with my next video. This is the set-off point. It's called Paddy's Pub. If we happen to meet a congregation here, behind my team who I came along with from downtown. Boys are always boys. Ahead of us is the signpost which leads to the waterfalls. Yeah, Butuase Waterfalls. It can be located in Kwahu Tafo in the eastern region of Ghana. And it reads, "Welcome to Kwahu Tafo Butuase Waterfalls," and it has some basic rules which visitors should observe. And do you know that subscribing doesn't cost you a dime? Please subscribe to the channel for me. I'm going to trip down with you to the nicest waterfall in the eastern region. That's Kwahu Tafo to be precise. Because of the cascading sound of the waterfall, you can hardly hear my voice when I trip down there. That's Butuase Waterfalls for you. Wow. I guess this woman will be a women fellowship leader. From how she was very loud. The rocks here is the sedimentary rock. That's why it has been arranged in levels. That's in sentiments. At this juncture, I wanted to see where the river really is from. He exercised some sense of bravery. He was the first person to cross to that, and nobody tried that. Aftermath, I followed and see what happened. That is a half view of the mountain. I also followed and I nearly slipped and fell from the bridge. These are caves. In the ancient times, it was believed dwarfs used to live in these hideout caves. But modern day, we are just touring in there. No dwarfs. After the waterfalls, it travels through these stones, passes on these stones, and travels all the way down there. Next time, I think we travel through those trees and see what is actually down there. It's also a good venue for seeking the face of God. Religious persons can come here and await God through prayer and fasting. It's a serene atmosphere anyway. Yes, you can see the sediment rocks over there. Yes, it is in levels. It's a very beautiful view. This is the tail end of the mountain, and upon realizing all my crew members were gone, so I had to stop and then run my life because that place was very calm. Catch me in my next episode as we sail through other different and interesting locations. Please subscribe to the channel. I am Ambassador, your tourist. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in my next episode. Please, subscription doesn't cost you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.